Good morning, Basmati family. I wanted to make sure I remind you to be careful as you drive out in the snow today. This is mainly for my friends and family out there in the Midwest and even in the South. I am so sorry that you have to drive in snow, but I do understand that you have to do what you have to do. Just be careful. Keep enough space between yourself and other vehicles. Take your time. When you make it to work, if you haven't already, ask your boss if they have an inclement weather policy. I don't think that anybody should have to drive in bad weather, especially snowstorms. They're deadly. I have had multiple close calls while living in the US and driving through snowstorms. I thank God that I don't have to do that at the moment, but I understand how scary it can be. So, family, friends, please be careful. Take your time. Talk to your bosses about inclement weather policies for your company. And if you haven't already, please check me out on Basmati. Sorry, correction, Bahati Basmati. This is my YouTube channel. There are a lot of silly, goofy videos with me looking as rough as I am looking right now. But I promise you, one day, I will get myself all dolled up, and you're gonna have that double take that you normally get when you see someone who's doing a before and after video. So, that being said, go to YouTube, search Bahati Basmati, subscribe, like, share. I am new to this YouTube game. I'm trying. So hopefully, as I post more silly, goofy videos, they'll get better. God bless.